What is moving average convergence divergence indicator in Power BI? With logic index. The moving average convergence divergence (MACD) is a popular technical analysis indicator used to identify potential trend reversals, momentum changes, and trade signals. While Power BI does not have a built-in MACD function, you can create a custom MACD indicator using data analysis expressions (DX) in Power BI. Here is the logic behind creating a custom MACD indicator in DX. Calculate short-term exponential moving average (EMA). Determine the period for the short-term EMA, example, 12 days. Calculate the EMA using the following formula. Short EMA is equal to calculate average, table, price, dates and period, table, date, last date, table, date, minus 12, day. Calculate long-term exponential moving average, EMA. Determine the period for the long-term EMA, example, 26 days. Calculate the EMA using the following formula. Long EMA is equal to calculate average, table, price, dates and period, table, date, last date, table, date, minus 26, day. Calculate the MACD line. Subtract the long-term EMA from the short-term EMA to obtain the MACD line. MACD line is equal to short EMA long EMA. Calculate the signal line. Determine the period for the signal line, example, 9 days. Calculate the EMA of the MACD line using the following formula. Signal line is equal to calculate average, table, MACD line, dates and period, table, date, last date, table, date, minus 9, day. Calculate the MACD histogram. Subtract the signal line from the MACD line to obtain the MACD histogram. MACD histogram is equal to MACD line signal line. With these calculations in place, you can use the resulting values to analyze and visualize the MACD indicator in Power BI. Create line or column charts to display the MACD line, signal line, and histogram over time. It's important to note that creating custom indicators using DX requires a good understanding of the underlying concepts, data modeling, and DX functions. Additionally, technical analysis indicators like MACD should be used in conjunction with other analysis techniques and indicators for comprehensive decision-making.